I want to turn the full attention this evening to the man of the moment, Reggae Boys coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore, the man who is currently performing tactical miracles with the Jamaica team at the Gold Cup. What Whitmore has done with this young and inexperienced team is arguably one of the greatest ever coaching achievements by any Jamaican national football coach. And I want to make a special appeal to the incoming JFF leadership. Say, stop, use Tapper as a scraps coach. Show the man some respect and pay the man some money. He has earned it and him deserve it. The JFF carried Winfred Schaefer come here and pay him an arm and a leg while paying Tapper peanuts to do the same job and do it better. So with Tapper now matching Schaefer's finest achievement by also getting to the Gold Cup final with an inferior and less experienced team, Schaefer now have nothing over Tapper right now. So let us give the man his due, or better yet, let us pay the man his due. And yes, we know the Jamaican dynamics, where sponsors and people generally prefer seeing a pale face with a foreign accent before endorsing and supporting the program. But good God, man, we must have learned something from the Schaefer disaster and all the other expensive foreign coach experiments that have failed so miserably. Tapper must have done enough by now to convince even the biggest doubter that if given the time and the resources and the support, Theodore Tapper Whitmore could be as effective a national senior football coach, or even better than any football coach to have ever graced the shores of Jamaica. How you mean? Except Rennie Simoes. Except Rennie. But give Tapper his due.